Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is how to ollie. Alright guys, so yeah, here's how to ollie. I thought I'd make this video. So this, you're going to want to get really comfortable doing this, and you just need to practice this because this is going to be your key balance, and yeah. Now there's 3 steps to the ollie. I just showed you the first one. Now this is the second one. Say goodbye to your pretty skate shoes. I'm sorry, but yeah, they're gonna get ruined. But this is just practicing your flick, and if you have good flick, you'll have a good ollie. Next thing we have for step 3 is obviously jumping. If you don't jump on the board, then the board's not gonna go in the air. It's pretty simple. And now I'm just combining all my steps to get that perfect ollie. And just remember to be safe. If you want to wear a helmet, I highly recommend it because it will save you. Trust. And practice makes perfect. So if you don't get it the first go, just keep trying. You'll get it. Have a blessed day.